If you're into fighting games and want something a little different from a traditional arcade stick, check out the Haute42 C-AS Leverless arcade controller. Instead of using a traditional joystick, this controller uses a button-based leverless layout, giving you quick and precise inputs for fighting games. The CAS features a CNC machined aluminum alloy construction with a magnetic panel, giving it a premium and solid feel while keeping the design clean and modern. You also get 11 buttons with RGB lighting, so you can add some customizable lighting to your setup. Another interesting feature is the adjustable button travel, with different settings that let you fine-tune the feel and responsiveness to your preference. The keycaps use PBT sublimation printing, which is designed to resist wear and keep the legends looking clear during long gaming sessions. Compatibility is another big plus. The listing says it works with PC, PS4, PS5, Nintendo Switch, and Steam, using a USB connection. And with its compact arcade-style design, it's built specifically for players who want fast inputs without the traditional joystick. The current listed price is around $161, compared with an original price of about $274. If you want to check it out, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoyed this quick gaming gear review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming deals.